Here is the recipe for a classic beef stew, a flavorful dish that warms the heart. Ingredients: 600 grams beef for stew, such as shoulder or shank, 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 2 garlic cloves, 500 milliliters tomato passata, 200 milliliters red wine, 500 milliliters beef broth, flour as needed, extra virgin olive oil as needed, salt and pepper to taste, 2 bay leaves, fresh rosemary as needed. Preparation: start by lightly flouring the pieces of meat. This will help seal the juices inside the meat and make the sauce thicker. In a large pot, heat the extra virgin olive oil and brown the pieces of meat on all sides until golden. Remove the meat and set it aside. In the same pot, add the finely chopped onion, carrots, and celery, along with the garlic cloves left whole or sliced according to your preference. Sauté until the onion becomes translucent. Deglaze with the red wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Then add the meat back to the pot along with the tomato passata, bay leaves, and rosemary. Stir well. Add the beef broth until all ingredients are covered, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Let the stew simmer on low heat with the lid on for about 2 hours, checking occasionally and adding broth if necessary. Check the doneness of the meat, which should be tender and almost falling apart, and the thickness of the sauce. Adjust salt and pepper if needed. If you prefer a thicker sauce, let it simmer uncovered on high heat for the last few minutes of cooking. Serve the stew hot, accompanied by polenta, mashed potatoes, or simply with rustic bread for scarpetta. Fun facts: beef stew was originally a way to use less noble cuts of meat, which become more tender and flavorful with long cooking. Every family in Italy has its own version or personal touch to add to the recipe, such as using aromatic herbs from their garden or preferring a certain type of wine for the preparation.